Hey everyone, and welcome back to another picoCTF challenge breakdown. In today's video, we are solving the What's a Netcat challenge. So, without further ado, let's get to it. Description: using netcat and C is going to be pretty important. Can you connect to this host here? At port 25.103 to get the flag, and we have one int that says NC tutorial. So, just for you to know, netcat, also known as NC, is a tool used to talk with other computers over the internet. With netcat, users can perform tasks such as checking for open ports on remote systems, transferring files between computers, establishing network connections, among other things. Let's insert on our terminal man NC, and this will display the manual of netcat. And you can see that you have here a lot of switches that you can use with netcat. But to connect to a host on a specific port, you just need to use this command here. And this command says that you can insert the command nc, then the host, and then the ports. You do not need to specify any switches because the nc command interprets the first argument as the host name or IP of the target host, and then the second argument as the port number to connect to. So, in our case, the command will be like so. Let's quit this. nc from netcat, then our host, that is this one here, and then the port 25.103, and is this one. Then you click enter, and as you can see, we could retrieve the flag. Let's copy this flag and paste it here to see if it's correct. And as you can see, we solved this challenge. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring. Bye bye!